Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Which of the following match are correct in earthworm? In this question, the key concept is the key concept is earthworm. Basically, if we talk about earthworm, it belongs to kingdom Animalia and phylum Annelida. These basically, if we talk about the earthworm, these belongs to इसका जो बायोलॉजिकल नेम है दैट इज पेरिटिमा पॉस्थ्यूमा पेरिटिमा पॉस्थ्यूमा नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड ये क्योंकि एनालिडा फैमिली को ये बिलोंग करता है तो दीज आर बेसिकली segmented these are segmented they have chitinous seta that helps in the locomotion they have a hydrostatic skeleton. Also, they have a central and peripheral nervous system. They have a central and peripheral nervous system. Nervous system. Now, अगर हम इनके रेस्पिरेशन की बात करते हैं तो इट अकर्स थ्रू स्किन इनका रेस्पिरेशन कहाँ से हो रहा है स्किन से हो रहा है दे हैव अ क्लोज्ड टाइप ऑफ circulatory system they have a closed circulatory system. एंड नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम तो इनका जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होता है दैट इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीट दैट कंप्राइजेस फ्रॉम माउथ टू एनस अगर हम बात करते हैं इनके सेगमेंट्स की एज दे आर सेगमेंटेड तो जो फर्स्ट सेगमेंट होता है दैट इज द माउथ जिसे हम पेरिस्टोमियम भी कहते हैं ये प्रेजेंट होता है हमारे फर्स्ट सेगमेंट पे. आफ्टर देन कम्स द बकल कैविटी उसके बाद आती है हमारी buccal cavity that is present between 2 to 3 segment or from the second to third segment. After then comes the pharynx. Pharynx is present from third to fourth segment. Next comes the esophagus. Esophagus is present from fifth to seventh segment. Next comes the gizzard that helps in grinding. This gizzard is present from 8th to ninth segment. Then comes the stomach. Stomach जो होता है it comes from the 9th to 14th segment. Then it comes the intestine. उसके बाद आता है intestine which 15th to last intestine present होता है and anus is present in the last. So basically question में हमें segments दे रखे हैं and we have to find out the correct one. Pharynx is present in the first segment. तो let us check. Pharynx is present from third to fourth segment. तो that means first wrong हो गया. Stomach is present from 9th to 10th. तो यहाँ पे 10 to 14 is the right one. तो ये हमारा correct हो गया because stomach is present from basically 9 to 14 segment. And next हमारा है gizzard which is present from 8 to 9 segment that is तो ये हमारा wrong हो जाता है and mouth is present on the first segment correct तो यानी हमारा second correct है and fourth correct है तो we can say that option C is the right answer hence C is the right answer. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.